Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to automatically get transcript of any YouTube video using n8n and Supadata.ai. So let's go. We have very short workflow in n8n. To start workflow you have to click execute workflow. But before you click execute workflow you need to create a Google Sheet on your Google Drive. I created before, so I show you my Google file. This is my Google Sheet file. This file should have the following columns like URL, status, and transcript. To run the workflow, add a YouTube video link in the URL column here and set status to pending. If the status is done, the workflow will skip that row. If you have file with a URL, you can go back to our workflow to n8n. And the first step in the workflow reads data from the Google Sheet. You need to connect your Google Drive account in n8n. Click here, click create new credential and log into your Google account. In this node, you have to select get row from list. Select your document from Google Drive, select your sheet where you have data with URL to YouTube video. In filters, choose the column status and set value to pending. And in option, you choose return only first magic row and enable it. Then you can click execute step. You should see the YouTube URL with status pending. Like that, you have URL and pending from Google Drive. And go back. In next step, we get the transcript using Supadata API. Supadata gives you 100 free transcripts every month. If you need more, you can buy a paid subscription. I will add the link to Supadata in the video description. We choose HTTP request node. In this node, you set method to get from list. In URL field, use the Supadata transcript endpoint. And we add here a URL from here. Like that. Okay. Below we enable send headers using fields below. And we add XAPI key and have to paste your API key from Supadata API. How get your key? So you need to go to Supadata.ai, login to panel, and go to API keys and click create API key. You can create test API key and click create. And now you have your API key. Okay, when you have your API key, you can go back to n8n and paste your API key here. And in response, you can click response format in JSON. And we can click execute step. And now we have here our transcript from YouTube video. You can go back. And the last step in our workflow is update transcript to our file on Google Drive. So we choose update sheet, and in step, in operation, you choose update row from list. In column to match, choose URL and add your transcript in the column like that. Okay, and you can click execute step. Now your sheet is updated with the full transcript. I open and show you. Okay. Our transcript is here, but we need to change status to done. So we can go, and here we need to add done. So I execute step again. And now is good. So you can add more URL to transcript and run the workflow. Now we generate a summary using DeepSeek AI. Here. In this node, set source from prompt to define below from list, and we add our prompt here. This is our prompt, and we add here transcript from last step, like that. We enable require specific output format. Below in chat message, click add prompt and choose a system from list, and we add our prompt. Here's the prompt I used. Summarize the video transcript, provide a short summary of the video, key point discusses, and topic mentions. You can change this prompt if you want more or less detail. Just modify the text to fit your use case. You can modify this prompt. It includes the summary, key points, and topics. We can click execute step. And here's our summary. It includes summary, key points, and topics. Oh, great. Can I go back? I use DeepSeek chat model. Here, you need to connect your DeepSeek account to n8n. You have to click create new credential and add your API key from DeepSeek AI. If you use OpenAI chat model, you can add here. And click here, add OpenAI chat model, and set credential, create new credential, add your API key, and click save. But I use chat model, DeepSeek chat model. I connect my chat model. Okay, next step, we clear code. We split the output into separate fields to summary, key points, and topics. So we can click execute step, and we have summary, key points, and topics in other fields in output. So we can go back, and the last step is update our Google Sheet on Google Drive. Okay, before we adding summary to file, you have to update your Google Drive sheet. You have to add summary, key points, and topics columns, and go to our workflow. The final step, we update the row in Google Sheet with the summary data. In this note, we choose in operation update row from list, choose our document and our sheet. Set mapping column mode to URL. URL we get from here. I update our columns. Okay. We get URL, status set done, and summary. Can add here only summary. Here key points and topics here. Okay. We click execute step. Okay. It's not working, so we can this and okay. Click execute step again. Okay. And all done. The data is now updated in your sheet. We can check data and we have transcript, summary, key point from video, and topics. We can connect to first step to get more URL to generate transcript. The workflow will now loop and get the new URL with status pending. Just click execute workflow once and it will process all the pending URLs. That's the full process. If something is not clear or doesn't work, leave comment or send me an email. You will find it in the description. If you want to try this yourself, the full automation is available to download. Link is in the video description. If you need extra features for transcript automation, let me know. I can build other workflow with more options. If you want me to build an automation for your business, just reach out. Email is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you enjoyed the video. See you.